Woo! Yeah!
Yeah!
Come on. Welcome to another sub 10-minute burger challenge, and I have no voice whatsoever. Today, we're not in our studio, we are in the Mythical kitchen, and that's because we are joined by the one, the only, the very hunky, Mythical chef Josh.
Yes!
We've taken the 10-minute burger challenge stateside. Bring in Mythical chef Josh. He's 31 from Orange County, California. His favourite dish is carne asada burrito. He's known for mild to moderate shenanigans, and his unique skill, well, he said baby food eating.
This is the very first time we're doing a sub 10-minute burger challenge outside of our kitchen. You are operating on home turf. Do you want the rules?
I would love the rules, thank you.
Simple enough, we're giving you the same basic ingredients that we give everybody who plays the challenge, but we've also asked you to bring in 3 of your own ingredients to add to the basic foundations. What have you brought in?
I have brought in panko breadcrumbs, bacon, and barbecue sauce.
2 of the 3 I understand.
I'm confused where they're going to go, but the question is, will you win them? You can only have your special ingredients if you answer the questions correctly. They are pretty random, general knowledge questions that are loosely related to burgers. You ready?
I am known as America's smartest man, so yes, I am.
In that case, we can't wait. Question number 1. 2 years ago, you published a video titled Busting Burger Myths. But who joined you in that video?
Trevor joined me in that video.
Correct.
Nicole joined me in that video.
Correct.
We're looking for
And
one more.
V&A Austin joined me in that video.
Absolutely correct. 3 for 3. You get your first ingredient.
Okay. So when we first arrived here in America, the first thing we do is go to In-N-Out. But which year was it founded in sunny California? Was it A, 1938, B, 1948, or C, 1968?
B, 1948. I believe
Absolutely.
Baldwin Park,
Oh
California.
my, whoa, well
By
done.
0 hesitation.
Congratulations.
By the
Flippin'
Snyder
heck.
family. Don't quiz me on it. Get out of here. Lindsay Snyder, current operating president.
So impressed.
Look into their born-again Christian roots, though. It's a fun time.
Right, let's give it. Let's
2 out of 2.
Hey-o!
Can you win the 3rd ingredient with this question? Whilst American slices of cheese are common in burgers, what if you were to swap it for cheddar? Cheddar cheese originates in Cheddar in which British county? Is it?
I can't watch you for this bit.
Is it Wintersboro, Somerset, or Springtonshire?
Do it with an accent, it will help.
Well, Somerset is actually part of Winterfell, which, as we know, is fictional. The Stark family lives there. Well, can you repeat the other 2 options, please?
It's either Wintersboro, Somerset, or Springtonshire.
I've been to Springtonshire a little bit, you know. Somerset, you know, my mum lives there. And then Bigglesworth, the other one that you said, I think. I'm gonna go Somerset.
Is the correct answer.
right!
The other 2 were completely fictional. The other 2 counties didn't make any sense. We made them up.
Wait,
You've
they were
got-
actually fictional?
Yeah.
I was like, that sounds too Game of Thronesy. No way, man.
Somerset's the only one that exists. It's where cheddar's from. You have all 3 of your special ingredients. Are you ready to burger?
I am ready
You
to burger.
ready
Let's
to
do it.
burger? That's not a verb.
It is.
Right, come on, Josh, you can do this.
You've got this.
You got this.
First
Okay.
stateside challenge.
Hot, nasty, badass speed. Just sell it for America. I'm making the dumbest thing. Let's do it.
Okay, you ready?
Yes.
3, 2, 1.
Ah, okay, so I am making a very obscure regional American burger. Have you heard
A
of
true
this?
chef!
Have
He's
you heard
not
of
fingering the pickles!
Finger the jar, get your fingers in there, don't get rid of the spoon.
Oh my god, I'm sorry. I didn't realize. Pro fingering out there in London. All right, I'm gonna chop up some pickles. I'm gonna make a bit of a Thousand Island right now. Y'all have heard of the
nice.
Juicy Lucy?
Yes!
Yeah.
So this is not the Juicy Lucy. This is the Juicy Lucy's looser cousin, Saucy Sally. Originating at the same bar. This is Matt's Bar in Minneapolis. The burger patty, instead of being stuffed with cheese, is stuffed with Thousand Island, and then you get piping hot salad dressing oozing out of the burger. I'm gonna
love
panko
you.
crust some bacon, and we're gonna have a little bit of fried bacon on there. I mean, this is really America in a burger bun, and I can't wait for you. I'm gonna take that bowl out of my crotch. And add
That's there.
pickle juice, fantastic. So a little
This
bit.
is like all the best bits of a Reuben meet the best bits of a burger.
Yeah, more or less. Uh-huh.
Oh, no.
You got a bit excited there.
Oh, no.
A little bit excited.
Oh God, what is happening here?
What we're looking for is a tasty burger.
Saucy Sally came early this Thanksgiving, am I right?
As long as it's sub 10 minutes, we're good.
Boom. So I'm gonna get this sauce made. Thousand Island, fun fact, you know Thousand Island's like a real region in America?
Is
Like
it
Thousand
really?
Islands region in upstate New York. And Thousand Island dressing originally had like raisins and peanuts and all these different things in it, and now it is just ketchup, mayonnaise, and pickles, thanks in large part to In-N-Out.
I have no idea. Is that...
Thousand Island I associate with Mary Rose. We call it the Mary Rose.
Yeah.
Got a splash of brandy in there, but
It's a prawn cocktail sauce.
we named it after a boat.
Okay, so we got, I hate, oh God, there's mayonnaise over everything. Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands, so I'm gonna form my burger patties right now.
Lubing up a hand.
Lubing up the hand to form burger patties. I want these extra thin. We're gonna use about maybe like 1/8 of a pound for each, which is how much In-N-Out patties weigh, by the way. McDonald's burgers 1/10 of a pound, In-N-Out 1/8 of a pound. But I want to get this as thin as possible because I'm gonna put a dollop of Thousand Island in there, and then it's gotta seal up because that's gonna melt out
That's
pretty
amazing.
fast.
It's like a hot pocket. It's like a Pop-Tart of meat.
Pop-Tart.
It really is. Do you know Pop-Tarts were named after the pop art movement?
I love your food trivia. I want you on our next pub quiz.
I honestly, I would.
Yeah.
What are y'all doing tonight? Let's do it.
What? I'm really confused by what you're doing. You're putting the patty, you're squeezing your hand and then putting it onto parchment paper.
Correct. So I want to create my 2 patties right now. Put that onto parchment paper. I'm going to put the sauce in the middle, and then I'm going to fold this over and around, and then shape it again with my hand. And the
We've had about a dozen people play this challenge. No one has
Never.
ever gone like this.
Yeah. Welcome to America. Let's do it. Yeah. Mayonnaise
might be
in
for a
between
reason.
the burger. This is disgusting. And then,
Hope
you
for
know
the
what?
best.
It's a burger ravioli.
I've never made this before, by the way. Yeah.
Does that make it a dumpling?
I've literally never done this before, by the way. So this is
great time to do it.
You've got a wonderful searing hot pan.
Yeah. No, it's going. And now I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna seal the edges around.
What could possibly go wrong?
Absolutely
How's this
nothing.
gonna work?
Absolutely nothing. Here we go. Pass it back.
I
and forth.
genuinely lost for words.
Time. I need time.
I can't tell you.
Oh, you can't. Oh
Time
God.
has
Oh
ticked.
no, this I forgot.
Yeah, but
Ah!
live
All
on
you
your-
need to do it is sub 10 minutes.
All right, fantastic. That's right. I'm gonna wash my hands.
He's a chef. He's got an internal clock.
He's
Surely.
got an internal clock, but
Okay.
I'd hate for this to be the first contestant ever to go over time.
And more people. It'll be because he won't stop talking.
He's operating
Hands
on
up.
home turf. He should be fine.
Okay.
Go.
Pepper. Oh, hands are still a little bit looby. Oh, there's mayonnaise over everything. Oh
no.
God. That's a metaphor for America. There's mayonnaise on everything. What happened? All right.
Nicely
Get it
seasoned
in.
into a hot pan. We get the sizzle.
Fantastic.
What else is going in your burger once
salt.
it's cooked?
So the plan was to do a panko crusted bacon, but I have nothing for the panko to stick to the bacon except for mayonnaise. So we are going to do a mayonnaised up panko crusted bacon.
I was so confused by the panko crumbs. The bacon, the barbecue sauce.
Yeah.
Classic in burgers.
So one of my favorite burgers is the Western Bacon Cheeseburger from Carl's Jr.
You know our mate Jamie.
Oh God!
Like,
What
this is
are
a
you
very
doing?
Jamie thing to do.
Yeah, there we go. Okay, I'm gonna get a little gross with this. Bacon's cooked technically, so I can just touch.
Yeah, you know, it's cured.
ingredients, you know. Guys, we gotta sanitize everything in here after this. What side did I cut? I feel like I cut this open. Here we go.
There's a hole in it somewhere.
There it is.
There we go. Excellent work.
Thank you so much.
So I've never heard
Yeah.
of panko crusted bacon.
Well, you've had chicken nuggets.
Exactly. It sounds incredible.
Yeah. And
In a burger?
fantastic. Drop that over. Well, I'm out of mayonnaise, so I'm gonna squirt some ketchup.
He
You just
is
need
ad-libbing
wet.
now.
You just need wet for this to stick.
This is burger improv.
What are you
How do you think
doing?
you're doing on time?
Simply need wet. I'd say probably about 4 minutes have passed, and I feel pretty good. Panko needs to get out. Panko needs to get out.
There's some good smells coming from the burger pan. He's now got crispy bacon.
Wait.
It's going into a fryer.
Fire!
Run!
He's gone back to wash his hands
Okay.
again.
Right.
If nothing else, the man is sanitized.
Kobe. All right, buns. Nice little golden. Just give it.
Oh, come on, yes.
So the buns are already golden brown, but you're going for a toasted bun?
Correct.
How
Yes.
important is a toasted bun?
Super toasted. In-N-Out especially toasts their buns really well. I think you need a sort of barrier.
Oh, yeah.
That is a heck of
Look
a
at
burger.
that.
I think
Gonna
those
flip.
buns
I'm
were-
gonna add some American cheese to this because we already got the sauce in there. I'm actually gonna go American Let's get cheddar first, because the cheddar's
And
gonna take longer to
where's
melt.
cheddar from?
And cheddar's from Wintersbon!
No!
From Wintersbon, Leicestershire, don't you know?
Somerset.
I'm hungry, Mr.
Frodo.
Frodo! Alright,
Alright.
got some fresh shreddis going in there.
Balance is important.
Always going for tomato
I
as
like
well.
shreddis. I like...
Good
that was
slither
a
of
terrible
tom.
cut. 2 slices of tomato.
Where's the barbecue sauce going?
Barbecue sauce going nowhere. It was,
No.
it was a red herring.
It's a red herring. He didn't even need his 3
Come
questions.
on, no, he's won it. He needs to use it.
Okay. Buns are...
Perfectly
Okay.
good there.
Nah,
Around the
nah,
edges.
not yet.
And missing a bit in the middle.
Not yet! How's that
Raw
bacon
onion,
doing?
important.
I feel like I'm doing great on time, though, which is great.
Well,
Good. All we need you to do is pop the burger on the plate and ring the bell. That will stop the clock. And let's
All right.
hope it's less than 10 minutes.
All right.
Yeah.
There we go. There we go.
Before you
Couple
interrupted
pickles.
him, I was
Yeah.
really impressed that as a chef he wasn't going to finger the pickles.
Oh, I know.
'Cause He went in with a spoon.
I'm so proud of how I've influenced him.
I don't know if I want to serve this bacon. Listen, it was a great idea at the time. Yeah, those burger buns are toasted. I get a little bit more Thousand Island.
That would be remarkable if he doesn't use the bacon or the panko or the barbecue
just-
sauce
that's the
and
flex.
just goes classic ingredients.
All right, this is probably cooked, right? Hold on.
Here we go. Classic
Yo!
chefy tip.
The lids are down
We
there.
know what's happening.
Yo!
Just so you know,
Use the lids.
you've got an entire drawer of lids. You've got an entire drawer of lids down there.
Use
God,
the, use the
this
bacon.
looks awful.
No, use it. Yes, yes.
All right. Burger's done.
Seared and
Right.
steamed.
Ow, God! Bottom. Bottoming is better than topping. You got to put that
Yes.
right
Soak
there.
the juices up.
Big ol', let's just do one slice of that.
Layer in. The architecture of a burger is important, and you're more of a bottom kind of guy.
I like that to sort of absorb the weight of the burger, and that prevents the bun from getting soggy, and then it sort of dresses the greens. But then I put the onions and the pickles on the top.
Sticking
So I
to the
think those-
cheese.
Yeah.
Waiting for a lid of the bun, then we need it
Fantastic.
up
on,
front and a
come
ring
on.
of the bell when you're happy to stop the clock.
Get the bacon on there.
Oh, where's the bacon? Golly. Ew. Ugh, what did I do? Okay. And boom, bell.
Squeezed
Ring the
it.
bell. Where's
That's
the
the
bell? Where's the bell?
Yay!
Well
Stop
done, well
The
done.
clock. All we need to do is get that burger into the sexies, and then we can try it. Josh, that was an absolute whirlwind. But what we've ended up with is an absolute mega burger.
I have mixed emotions about everything right now.
I need to try it.
I'm excited for you to try it.
Would you mind cutting it up?
Oh,
I
absolutely.
know you shouldn't, but you have to.
We need to see the cross section, especially
Okay.
with your gooey middle.
Oh, what has happened here? Has it? Has it?
May I look?
Have a bit.
That's looking
gosh.
way better. I should probably show it to the
Yeah.
camera. I'm just gonna handle your burger for you.
Do it.
Look at that. There we
So
go.
the sauce is still there. It's not a pocket.
Yeah, here,
it's
I'll spot
kind of like
you.
it's just
dripping.
really, really moist.
I think the sauce just infused into all the raw beef at some point, but that's about what I wanted.
It looks great. I feel like you had the pocket of sauce until that final squish,
I love squishing a burger.
and then
though.
it squirted.
We've all been there.
Right.
I'm not comfortable here.
I feel someone playing footsies with me.
Well,
Right.
have you got a handful of something there, Belle?
I've got everything. Oh, it's most of the stuff here.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh.
No, it's so wet and delicious.
So the sound you made as you eat that is exactly right.
Yeah.
As you take a mouthful, you need to slurp as well.
yeah.
Yeah. It's like burger meets bowl of ramen.
It's like trilling a fine wine,
Yeah.
you know?
I've
You want to
never-
aerate all the flavors.
I've never sucked a burger before, but that's pretty good.
But that is phenomenal. The panko bacon is crispy. The Thousand Island dressing is
It's
tangy
everywhere.
and literally everywhere. I feel like it should be served with a wet wipe, but it's a burger I want to go back for another mouthful of.
Is there
going
anything
to.
next time you would do differently?
Absolutely not.
Oh.
No. America's about having no regrets. Whatever you put on the plate, that's the best version of it. I stand by this till I
Okay,
die.
good, like it.
And you even brought the barbecue sauce, won the barbecue sauce, and chose not to use it. An absolute red herring.
I had an entirely different plan for what I was going to do, and then I remembered that the term saucy Sally exists in the American lexicon, and I had to do it.
It's absolutely genius. I can confirm It is not only a tasty burger and therefore making the board, it is sub 10 minutes. But before we give you a time, we need a name.
I'm gonna call this the American exceptionalism. None of this should have been allowed to be on the plate. It might be cross-contaminated with E. coli, but it doesn't matter because we're in America and we're
It's damn
different.
tasty.
Now, as for your time, because you're a chef and you have an internal clock, I'm intrigued by your guess. What do you think you got?
I feel like I normally have a very good internal clock when I'm cooking, and that all went out the window during this. Once
I think you forgot it was time.
I did. So then I sort of heard some general concerned murmurs, but I feel like I was taking my time on this. I'm gonna say 9 minutes and 19 seconds.
Josh, Mythical chef, your time was 8 minutes 16.
That's pretty good.
time. Good
Excellent
time.
burger.
Good time.
And I
Oh no! Oh
feel
no!
like
I'm in the splash zone right now at SeaWorld.
it's just incredible. Thank you for joining in our silly little game. It's been brilliant. Comment down below, who else would you love to see try the burger challenge? And of course, while you're downstairs, look at the description box, all the links to Mythical Kitchen. I'm sure you know, but you have to go check them out. Awesome stuff. And we did a video over there. Go check it out.
As they say in Great Britain,
Go on.
thanks.
No, don't. Thanks, mate.
Thanks, mate.
Thanks, mate.
You did a marvellous job.
Thanks, mate.
Thank you so much. I had a lot of time.
Well done. Brilliant. Thank you. Yeah!